guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this tripod. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell so to be notified every time a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there we go, guys. So again, I got here a tripod from Amazon, and again, it's not a sponsored vlog. Okay, so again, we're going to see what's in the box, and again, I'm so excited to open this. Okay, so again, I got here a sharp knife, and we're gonna start opening this one here. I'm so excited in this one here, guys, because I need another tripod for my vlogging, because I'm gonna use it on my other YouTube channel, which is the NoyTebs vlog. So there you go. We'll see what's here. There you go. So again, this is a very small one, because you can use this one for either your phone or your camera, because I'm planning to use it in the camera. So that is why I'm gonna do this one here. So again, there you go. It comes with this small pouch. It's a really good one because they have a pouch. So again, they have a traveling pouch that you can put your phone, or you can put your tripod. There you go. Very small. Actually, very small one. Maybe less than. There's another one here. Maybe it's about 13 or 14 inches, I think. So there's another one here. What's in here? So there's some attachment. So we're gonna start with the attachment. We have a remote for your phone, and we have here for your it's like a GoPro mounting or something. So you have that one there. So, and then you also have like a shoe. It's like a shoe for your, I don't know, it's for the phone, something. Now, what is this for? This shoe. Okay, so I got it now. So again, I think this is a shoe for your phone, that you can put your phone over here, that way. And then you can connect that one on the tripod, which is this one. So, this is not the one I really like it, but again, you can put your, if you want to use your phone, and you can put your phone over here. It's really awesome too, and you can do whatever you can blog or whatever for your blogging or your selfie. Oh, it takes so long to do some. Okay, got it. Okay, so again, I got the iPhone here, so we'll see. So that's how it connected. So your phone, and then this is the one that you have it. So again, very strong, actually very strong. Material wise, it's okay. This is about I think $16. The regular for this is about I think it's gonna be $25, but I got a discount for this, so it was really good. So all you have to do is to put this one stable. You have to turn this one, and then I'm gonna put smaller a bit for now, and we'll see. Okay, so again, you have to turn this one, and it will go that way, and then you have to lock this one over here. If you want to, you can lock it. So again, it's gonna be stable when you put this one on the table, or in in a surface or something. Yeah, I think it's already okay. Yeah, it's very sturdy. Very small one. Actually, it's very small. But again, I think my camera, because I got the R50 for vlogging, so I was planning to use this one to do some vlogging. Just an extra phone that I can get, so extra camera for my vlogging. And again, basically, I don't really need this one, so probably I can keep this. Same thing with the like the shoe for the GoPro or whatever you want to put it in, because again, as what I've said, you can put this one in here. So you have to turn this knob, and again, it will do it that way. So again, whatever position that you can do for this, you can either you need to loosen this one a bit. Either you can go that way, or do it this way, that way, or do it this way. So again, there's direction if you want to put in the other direction or something for your when you do some vlogging or whatever. You can use your phone, whatever you want to. So, but again, really high. You know, I'm 5'9". I think it's gonna be almost the same, but I think because it's really good one. You know, again, if you're looking for a tripod not that expensive, you can purchase this like in Amazon. And again, what's the brand for this one here? They didn't say anything about the brand, but again, you can just try it out in Amazon, or you can try to search in Amazon with regards to tripod. So if you want to. So again, that's about it that you can do. You can lock this one, and then if you lock it, it doesn't move. But if you're gonna go unlock whatever you want to, it's gonna be moved that way. And then if you're done, close that one again, lock it so it won't go down and move. So again, basically, it's really straightforward, kind of a tripod. I just want to say that again, this is about $16, but yeah, I think what you pay is what you get all the time, right? So when you pay a cheap one like this, of course, not really cheap, because it's like I don't know what kind of material is this one here. It's not a plastic one. So it's not a plastic. This rod, it's not a plastic. So only this part here is like a plastic. This one is the plastic. So that's the only thing. And again, like kind of a cheap, I don't know, it's like a cheap aluminum that they used for this one here. So basically, again, it's really okay. The other thing is you have to program your phone. So you can program your phone. And again, I don't know if you need some battery for this. I don't know what kind of battery. So again, it's light up with, so it's looking for a phone that will sync for this one here. So you can sync your phone, and then you can do some selfie if you want to. But this is a good shutter. It's really small shutter for the phone. So, but again, it's really straightforward. And again, they have only three parts, like the remote, the phone, and then if you want some GoPro, you can do that way. But again, for me, my application, because I'm going to use my phone or I'm going to use my other camera to do some vlogging. So probably I'm not gonna need this one. I don't need this phone holder or something. So again, really good one if you want to. And then if you want some selfie, you can hold it that way and then do some selfie if you want to. So there's some you can do multiple things on this tripod actually. So basically, it's a really small one, and I was surprised that they have this pouch that if you're done, you can put it back here, and then it's gonna be safe. It won't scratch or something. Put it back on the bag, and then you're good to go. So there you go. So but anyway guys, again, I got lots of video on this channel. If you're not keep subscribing, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified every time a new video uploaded on my channel. And again, this is NoyTebs. God bless and a wonderful day.